How to fix if your Microsoft Excel toolbar is missing or not showing. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel app, and you can see I don't have any toolbar here. It is already invisible for me. So how you can enable it or make sure it show to you? You have to just make sure this cursor take on top and just click once. It will be your text, your menu and toolbar will be visible to you. Or you can simply go here and these three dot options, and it will be visible. Or if your show your only tab and not the your ribbons, then simply click on this option and click on this show tabs and commands. Then all will be commands and tabs and option will be visible to you. There's a lots of options you can use. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.